Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about the Colornote. Colornote is an app which I have been using. It's a simple app where I can keep the notes, I can keep my checklist. So before I jump into the application, let me show you how to install that. You go to Play Store, you type for Colornote, and when you see there, it's a Colornote notepad notes to do. You just install that application. It's a yellow icon with a note written in it. That's what you see. There are multiple notes available, but a note with a, I'll show you again, red and with a underline. Only note, not notes. Once you install that, this is how you see the application. It gives me two options to add a text or create a checklist. Let me go for the text. Let's say I want to create I'm somewhere and I want to take some notes. Let's say I'm trying to buy a new television, so TV new, and I got to know that the Samsung X7 is good in price and feature, and let's say Sony is equally good but bit more expensive. Yeah, so and as soon as I click at the check button, I'll see a note has been created, and I can go anytime and edit it basically. And let's say this is a TV note, you want to change the color of it. Let's say I want to make it red, I can change the color, I can create another text. Let's say this is for now, let's say music system, and I can type Bosch 700. Let's say I want to keep it as purple, and then this is how the color shows up. I have let me see if I have any other option. I can send it, make it a reminder, type all day, what's a reminder, weekly, when it ends. I can create all these reminders also. If you see this, if you see on the top, but there's a 270920, that's a reminder that has been created. If I, let's say, have a lot of things, I can search for Bosch. It's in this, so it has highlighted the string you were searching. And yeah, the other option I have is a checklist is more, let's say you're going for the grocery, and I have to buy, let's say, some biscuits. I have to buy, let's say, some, what is it, rice. That's all. Let's say, let's take it. And as soon as I click OK, what's the basic difference between text and the checklist? In the checklist, as soon as let's say you are in the grocery store and you bought the rice, you can tap it and it's a tick mark of completed has been will come. And you can do it for the biscuit also. In the future, if you want to add anything like, let's say, chocolate, you can add it. Chocolate has not been bought, so it will be unchecked. You can check it, you can come back, and let's say you're going for again a grocery next month, you can basically check all the items you want, just one tap, and these are enabled. So again, you can basically use them. And again, there are multiple reminders that you can use. The time alarm in 15 seconds, it will give you all these options. Pin to the taskbar. I'll generally use that alarm in 15 minutes, or let's say 1 hour, remind me. and I can keep the dates, time. Is it a recurring Monday to Friday, or is it a bi-weekly, monthly? I have multiple options, yearly and all those, so you can try it as per your need. As soon as you do it, you see this option. I cannot highlight it, but this is option 280924 am has come up. So this is how you can use it. What all options I have? Again I can create a color. I want to sort a color. Let's say I don't want anything. I want all the, let's say I want all the red color, the highlighted one. Or in case you don't have multiple colors, you can basically use this feature. And what all, view, yeah, you can change the view as this. It will give a snapshot of what's added into that. Another view is the grid one. Another option is the larger grid, which will give you the details, somewhat details in those. Or the list one. I prefer this one, the large grid, because it gives me some small information about the checklist, or the checklist of the text I have added. And what all options do I have? I can sort it by the modified time. I can sort it by the alphabetically, by color, by reminder time, and all this. So these two have the reminder. That's the reason it's coming up. Otherwise it's just okay. Everything is coming now in the alphabetically order. Now another option, let's go to the setting. Default screen is notes. Do you want it to be calendar? Now when you close it, the default is a calendar. You have to go here and then you have to select the, so this comes with a reminder. See, on so and so time there's a reminder. You can add another reminder. I generally prefer the note one. And what else options are there? The theme, a default theme, or you can use a soft theme. Let me make it color. Let me make it note only. Or the another theme is the dark theme, which is pretty famous right now, and if by now you would have seen. I also like black theme. This setting, let's go default color. What do you want to be the default color? You can increase decrease the size of the font, normal highlighters, sorting, default sorting, how do you want it? I'll keep all these things. I don't touch these things, but yeah, you can use this. And more settings, let's say GUI reminder. The most important is the backup. How frequently I want the backup. I have created the auto backup, secure auto backup. You can secure your auto backup with the password also, and the master password can be created here, or you can sign into your Google or the Facebook account to keep a backup of all this information in the Gmail or the Google or the Facebook. I have these. Oh yeah, online backup again gives me the feature of uploading the backup to the Google or the Facebook. And yeah, that's pretty much, I think. That's there. Sorting again, I think I've completed it. In case you want to search for anything, and let's say you have multiple this text and the checklist you want to search is, this is a feature you can be used. Flashcan theme tutorial, like it's the archive. Yeah, that's what is there. It's basically, I've been using this for more than 5 to 6 years, and I have created multiple grocery. I have removed it for this video, but I had multiple such checklists have been created for the groceries, for the medicines. There are some recurring medicines I have to buy it every month. So whenever I go there, I'll just, as soon as I bought it, I just mark it as okay, and whenever I again visit it again, just before visiting, I'll mark it as unchecked. So this is how I use it. So yep, that's how I use it, and these are the features of the Colornote. So I'm signing off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe for such fantastic videos. Thank you. Bye bye.